In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to personalize emails at scale, so you can save time and still make each email feel like a one-on-one conversation. Stick around, because I'll also be sharing a powerful tool that you can start using today with an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel. AI is transforming email marketing, and if you're still manually personalizing every email, you're missing out on efficiency. Personalizing emails at scale doesn't mean sending the same generic message to everyone. It means using AI to adapt each email to the recipient's unique preferences and behaviors, without having to do all the legwork yourself. Imagine being able to automatically adjust your messaging based on what your subscribers actually care about, creating a more personal experience every time they open an email. Now, let's break it down. First, you want to start by collecting the right data. AI needs information to personalize your emails, so make sure you're tracking key customer data like purchase history, website behavior, or even their email engagement. The more you know about your customers, the better your emails will be tailored. Once you have that data, you can use AI-powered software to segment your audience. This is where the magic happens. The software analyzes all the data and sorts it into groups based on common interests, behaviors, or needs. So, instead of sending one generic message to everyone on your list, you'll be able to create unique email sequences for each segment, automatically. Now, let's talk about crafting those emails. With AI, you can use pre-built templates that adapt to the individual recipient. Some platforms allow you to create an email that's personalized in real time, pulling data like the recipient's name, location, or even product recommendations based on their browsing history. This makes your email feel like it was crafted specifically for them, without you needing to write a single extra line. If you've tried some of the more popular software for this, you know that many of them can be complicated or don't give you the level of customization you need. That's why I'm excited to share the software we'll be using today. This software has an intuitive interface and does all the heavy lifting for you, giving you a chance to scale your email efforts without losing that personal touch. And as a special bonus for watching this video, I've got a free trial for you to try it out for yourself. You'll find the link in the description below, and it's only available to viewers of my channel. So, to recap, start by gathering relevant data to understand your audience. Use AI to segment that data into meaningful groups. Then, personalize your emails at scale with AI-driven templates and real-time data. And remember, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description to follow along with what I've shown you today. The key takeaway here is that AI can automate personalization at a scale you never thought possible, while still making each email feel like it was crafted for the individual recipient. It's time to stop sending one-size-fits-all emails and start using AI to connect with your audience in a more meaningful way. And one last reminder, make sure to grab the free trial linked in the description below so you can start applying these strategies today.